Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of ursesrio.com. So ursesrio.com is basically an online shopping platform where you can buy different garment items, different backpacks, shoes, and different other accessories as well. So they have a really high quality pictures and ads with really good ratings according to their platform, and they have a really great deals going on every single time. So the discounted price is like 7 euros, which is 51 euros of actual product. So this is really high discounts. So now let's dive and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. So I just tried to search for the domain name of this platform, and I just got to know that it was registered in 2024, which is basically just 1 year old. So it's not mean that it's actually a scam, but we have to be more cautious. So I try to search for the reviews of this platform on the Scam Advisor website, and I just got to know that they have a trust score of 1 out of 100, which is the worst possible trust score, and it is based on a lot of reviews. So we have to be really cautious about this platform, and it was based on 7 reviews in the Scam Advisor. Then I try to search for this if it is actually a scam or legit online platform on malware tips, and I just got to know that it is a fraudulent online store that you should avoid at all cost. The scam website claims to sell various products at very low prices, but will either send you a counterfeit or inferior goods or nothing at all. As you can see, they have a really affordable stuff, and you can see in the F4 line they have also mentioned in the tagline that is affordable fashion platform. And I also try to search for the physical existence of this platform. I just got to know they don't have any physical store, and once I try to search for their customer support, they have just one single email available to contact them. No physical existence, no any official email, or not even a single phone number. So in conclusion, I would say this platform is actually a scam, and you should avoid buying stuff from this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product or platform, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.